A move to stop the St. Tammany Parish Council from replacing members of the library board is now under advisement by a federal judge.
Attorneys argued over a temporary restraining order today, and Mike McDaniel explains what it's all about.
This all stems from a lawsuit against the St. Tammany Parish Council, which voted to get rid of 5 members of the Library Board of Control. At issue is whether a judge will allow 3 of those members who filed the lawsuit to continue serving their terms while the lawsuit gets resolved. The council's decision to replace them takes effect this Saturday. That's why their attorney, Bruce Hamilton, is trying to stop it from happening. He says his clients are being targeted.
Because of their speech, because of their viewpoints, because of the things that they've said and the votes that they took on challenged materials, specifically LGBTQ literature.
That challenged literature has been the focus of recent controversy in St. Tammany Parish after conservative groups started contesting books and materials. The library board ultimately decided not to limit access. Once a new parish council took over back in January, Hamilton says retaliation started.
It was evident that the council is trying to remove the plaintiffs from the library board.
In early May, the new council voted to replace the current 5 members of the library board, all of whom were appointed by the previous council to 5-year terms. Hamilton says his clients should be able to complete those terms.
2 of them have another 4 years. 1 of them has another 3 years plus to serve before they're finished with their service.
Defense attorneys who didn't want to go on camera after court argued the council was trying to meet a requirement that all parish board member terms be staggered. Hamilton says that hasn't happened in the past, and the library board was singled out.
For the library board, they decided to call for nominations. They invited people to apply and considered all of them and held basically a mini election, which is not what they did with the other parish boards.
A decision on this temporary restraining order is expected sometime before Saturday. The judge also talked about the possibility of pushing it back since the next scheduled library board meeting after this weekend isn't until late July. Reporting from the federal courthouse in New Orleans, Mike McDaniel, WWL, Louisiana.